Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Parchy Tech. So today we're going to be unboxing this case from Torras for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Okay, and this is a purple case that I got here for the deep purple iPhone 14 Pro Max. Depending on the angle, it probably looks like the gray one, but it's the purple one. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox this really quick and put it on the phone, see what it looks like. Just put that aside. So this actually also comes with buttons that you could use to replace the existing ones on the case. So this is the case, this is what it looks like, and these are the buttons here that you could use to replace the existing ones here. So you can see these are dark purple right here, pretty much black, and you could change the colors to either orange or this light green right here to make it pop a little more if you want to. Okay, so here we have the case cut out for your camera, and this is the frosted back one, so it pretty much hides and prevents fingerprints if that's something that bothers you, and it looks really nice. So let's go ahead and slap this on the phone, see how it looks. Okay, so there we go. Nice frosted back on the phone, the purple accents going around here on the side, nice flat edges. You have your power button left and right. Okay, so you have your volume up and down, you have your silent switch cut out, and also the camera hump here is really thick, so it offers a lot of protection on the phone for your cameras. So if you put your phone down on the back, or if it falls on the back, you're pretty much protected. And a nice lip on the front here, so if your phone goes face down, then you have protection there as well. So okay, so yeah, with this case it offers a lot of protection. You won't have to worry much if your phone falls from your pocket or something. You have your cutout here for your speaker grills and your charging port. Looks really nice there. And here's a view of the top of the phone with the case on and from the front. So you can see the purple, it looks almost pretty much identical to the color of the iPhone. If you look at the camera bump here, you could barely tell the difference from the colors. It blends in really nice. So let's take this off and put it next to the phone. Yeah, not too bad, because the color is not too light or too dark. It's just perfect to highlight the edges of the phone and everything. Okay, so if you're in the market looking for a case for your iPhone 14 Pro or Pro Max deep purple, I would definitely recommend this case. So hopefully this video helps you out. If you pretty much saw this case before online and you were pretty much contemplating if you want to get it or not and wanted to see a video, hopefully this video helps you out with your purchase. And I'm gonna have the link in the description for this case. If this is the first time you're seeing this case and would like to make a purchase, then you could go ahead and click the link and purchase the case. All right, thank you for watching. Peace.